Let me tell you about a trader named Alex. Alex spent months searching for the perfect Forex strategy, watching videos, reading books, and finally settling on a simple moving average crossover system. On paper, it looked flawless. Backtests showed huge profits. He felt unstoppable. Demo trading was a breeze. Win after win, his confidence soared. Ready for real money, Alex funded his account and placed his first live trade. It lost, then another, and another. His $1,000 account quickly shrank to $700, then $500. Panic set in. He questioned everything. Was the strategy broken? Was the market different? The system that worked in theory was failing in reality. Alex's story is common. Many traders find a strategy that looks great, but it falls apart with real money. Why does this happen? Is the strategy always the problem, or is it something else? Most traders blame the system and start searching for a new holy grail. But the real issue often lies elsewhere. The difference between demo and live trading isn't just the money, it's the trader's mindset and execution. The pressure of real money changes everything. Emotions take over, and discipline fades. The perfect strategy is only as good as the person using it. So what really separates successful traders from those who fail? It's not just the rules, it's how you use them. Before you toss your strategy, look in the mirror. Are you following your plan, or letting fear and greed take control? Most failures come from mistakes in execution, discipline, and understanding the market, not from the strategy itself. Let's break down the real reasons strategies fail and how you can avoid Alex's fate. The journey to consistent profits starts with understanding yourself as a trader. Are you ready to face the truth? Let's dive in. The first big mistake, the execution gap. What is it, and how does it destroy even the best strategies? Let's find out. Many traders blame their strategy when they lose, jumping from one system to another in search of a holy grail, but no strategy wins all the time. The real problem is often the trader, not the rules. Think of a trading strategy like a race car. In a pro's hands, it wins. In a rookie's, it crashes. Success depends on skill, discipline, and experience, not just the tool. Are you driving like a pro or just hoping for luck? Most trading failures come from poor execution, lack of discipline, and misunderstanding the market. Before blaming your system, ask, am I using it correctly? Let's break down the most common mistakes traders make. Understanding these is the first step to real improvement. First up, the execution gap. The execution gap is the difference between what your strategy says and what you actually do. Fear, greed, and impatience sabotage even the best plans. You hesitate on entries, miss winners, or jump in too late out of FOMO. You hold losers, hoping they'll turn, or take profits too early, afraid to lose small gains. Chasing trades without a signal? That's gambling, not trading. Ignoring your plan ruins your edge. Your system relies on following rules. Break them, and the math falls apart. Most traders lose not because their strategy is bad, but because they can't execute it consistently. The solution? Ruthless discipline. Follow your rules. Every trade, no exceptions. Next, let's talk about using the right strategy for the right market. Are you adapting or forcing your setup everywhere? Here's why that matters. Another mistake, using the same strategy in every market condition. Forex markets change. Sometimes they trend, sometimes they range. A trend-following system fails in a choppy market. A range strategy gets crushed in a breakout. Professionals first identify the market environment, then choose the right tool. Beginners just look for their favorite setup, no matter what's happening. This leads to endless small losses and frustration. Adapt your approach to the market's mood. Analyze before you trade. Is it trending or ranging? Use the right strategy for the right conditions. Now, let's look at another killer: constantly changing your rules. Many traders tweak their strategy after every loss, chasing perfection. They change indicators, add filters, or ignore rules, destroying any consistency. Trading is like a science experiment. Change too many variables, and you learn nothing. You need to apply your strategy the same way, over many trades, to see if it works. Lack of confidence and poor record keeping fuel this cycle. Without a trading journal, you forget mistakes and repeat them. A journal keeps you honest, showing when you followed your plan and when you didn't. Consistency and honest review are key. Stop changing rules after every loss. Trust your process, track your trades, and learn from real data. Now here's how to actually fix your trading. Here's a 5-step plan to turn your trading around. First, master one setup. Focus, backtest, and specialize. Second, trade only when the market matches your strategy. Analyze conditions before every trade. Third, use strict risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Fourth, keep a detailed trading journal. Record every trade, reason, and result. Review it weekly to spot mistakes and improve. Fifth, start small. Prove you can be consistent before increasing size. The goal isn't to get rich quick, it's to build lasting skill. Now look at your last 20 trades. Did you follow your rules every time? The answer reveals what you need to fix. Success isn't about finding a magic system. It's about discipline, adaptation, and honest self-review. Master these, and you'll separate yourself from the crowd. The journey starts with you.